In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear history on your Firefox mobile browser. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to clear your app history, it is quite simple. By clearing your history, you'll be able to solve any issue related to your Firefox browser and also fix any bugs. To do so, you need just to go ahead and tap on these ellipses and then choose the option called history. Now here you can see we have a history of my latest browsing history, and to clear it, just go ahead and choose this option, delete history, and this will go ahead and ask me to choose the range period that I want to delete or remove history from this app. If you want just to delete for the last hour, you can do so. If you want just to delete for the last 2 days, for today and yesterday, you can do so. And if you want to delete everything, you can also choose the last option. In my case, I want to clear everything, so I'll choose the last option here and then complete by clicking on delete. And look at that, my browsing data has been cleared. Now if I come back, you can see I have a fresh new interface to start with. So that's how you can clear your Firefox browser app history on your smartphone. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.